Okay, good morning again, everyone. And we will be discussing today some of the examples of a conditional statements for using Java GUI Suite. So we have three examples here. Number one, we have to write a simple program that will accept an integer value and it will display the equivalent value of a number for per year level. If the user input one, the program will give the or display freshman, 2 for sophomore, 3 for junior, and 4 for senior. So let us try to create those programs. So in my project, I will just create new frame and then I will just use year level because my program will talk about the year level of the student. And then drag and drop some button and your components to be used. So this one will be enter year level. This one will be the equivalent value. Now, this one, change the variable name to txt here, and this will be txt for equivalent. Let's try to uh, change edit text, and this one for edit text. Now this one, change it to variable name to btn click, and for the edit text, click. Now for your code, double click the button, and then we will be typing the bot of the uh, what we call code here. See, we have, so since it will accept an integer value for a year level, and then we'll have to declare variable for the year level. And then year level, passing value of a variable. So since it will be accepting integer value, that parse it, and then txt year nga ba yun? That get text. Now, we'll be using the conditional statement. So here is your conditional statement. We have if year level is equal to 1. So we'll be using a comparison operator. So the statement should be enclosed in double curly brackets, txt equi that set text. So ano dapat? Sabi ay freshman for number 1. Now, we'll be using if else if statement kasi apat yung ating condition. So we have if, else if. So kung halimbawa siya ay mag-false dito, ito yung kanyang susundan. We have year level is equal to 2, open and close parenthesis, curly bracket rather, and kopyahin na lang natin ito kasi doon naman siya ilalagay. And then ito ay sophomore. Else if year level is equal to 3, anong gagawin daw? Paste ko na lang din ito. Babaguhin ko lang siya into junior. Next is the else if kapag siya ang year level niya is equal to 4, open parenthesis, and then senior. Now, what about kapag wala siyang pupuntahan? Halimbawa, hindi 1 ng kanyang isinulat, hindi 2. Hindi 3, kundi 5. Diba, may mga ganun naman tayo na mga user. So, we'll be using else. And then, sasabihin mo, instead na, ito, sabihin mo ay, sorry, it is not in the choices. So, let's try to run here. So, ito na yung ating ginawa. Lagyan natin ay 3. Click. So, junior siya. 4. Click. 5. Let's try to use 5. So, sabi niya, it's not in the choices. So, lalakihan lang natin itong ating text box para po siya ay makita. Kasi medyo maliit lang yung aking gawa. Okay? That's one. Another one is write a simple program that will check if the given number is an odd or even number. So, ilalagay niya halimbawa kapag ang nilagay ni user ay, let's say, ang nilagay niya ay 2, ibig sabihin yun ay odd numbers. Kapag 3, ibig sabihin yun ay, 2 ay even numbers and 3 ay odd numbers. How are we going to do that? So just create new frame, and then we'll be using add even checker. Even checker. Finished. So again, we'll be adding label, a text field, a button. So, lagdagan pa natin ng isang text field and another label. So, ito ilalagay natin, enter a number. This one ay equivalent value. So, we have here txt value, right click, and this one, edit text. So, this is right click, txt num. Ito, btn press. And then press. So again, class, this is kumbaga, lalagyan. So kailangan ayusin natin, hindi siya na-edit dapat, no? So double click the press button, and then let's use integer na lang muna, and num. And then, after nyan, so we have num is equal to integer that parse int, and then txt num that get text. So, after nyan, ang gagawin natin ay we'll be having a conditional statement para malaman natin if the value of a number is an odd or even. So, we have if num percentage 2, kasi diba yun yung nagdi-determine, okay, is equal to 0, sasabihin natin ay ilalagay natin doon sa ating text box, txt, equi ba yun? Value, that, set text. Ito ay, the number is, yan, lagay natin ng this one, and this one. Kunin natin yung num, plus num, plus is an even number. So, medyo mahaba siya. So, pinakailangan lang natin. Else, sasabihin natin na siya ay odd number. Okay. Nag-copy kasi ako agad. Is an odd number. Laki-lakihan lang natin ito. Habaan lang natin siya. So, pwede rin naman na ilagay nyo siya sa J option pane. Halimbawa, J option pane dot show message dialog. Kunin lang natin ito. Ibig sabihin nito, dalawa yung makikitaan natin ng sagot. Yan. O, kung mapapansin nyo, sabi dito, I cannot find symbol. It's because hindi natin sinama yung kanyang tinatawag natin na uh, yung tinatawag natin na package. So, we use import package, import java dot swing dot asterisk. So, pansinin nyo na wala na siya dito. Okay, kasi kung maaalala nyo, J option pane is inside the Jbox swing. In here, pwede rin kayo maglagay nito. And this one will be even. I add. Sorry. So, let's try to run kung ano mangyayari. Right click, run. So, halimbawa, nilagyan ko siya ng 1, press. Ayan, meron tayo dito, pinakita niya, and meron din tayo dito. So, kulang lang tayo ng space in between, nagsama-sama lang siya, pero okay na yan. So, meron kayo dito, equivalent value, and we have also the message value. So, nandito naman siya. Pwede nyo siyang i-clear para if you want to add, let's say, 2, so, even naman siya. So, ito, gagawin nyo ay, i-add nyo siya, i-spacean nyo lang siya. Okay? Now, so, yun. Number 3 example is that you are going to design a program that determines if the number given by a user is a positive or a negative number. So, napakadali lang naman yan. So, paano? Sabi dito, consider 0 as a positive number. Now, we'll be creating another one. And then, anong pwede ko ditong let's say, positive, negative. Positive, pos, neg. Yan. Kasi ibig sabihin yan ay positive, negative. Okay, and then, mag-a-add lang ako dito siya. Ikokopyahin ko na lang ito ha, para ako'y, yan. Ito ay equivalent value na din. Change variable name, txt num. Change variable name, txt value, and then press. Tapos, right after that, what you're going to do is that, tanggalin ko muna to. Yan, kasi naman when I copy this, itong to, nakokopya yung lahat ng nakalagay dun sa kanyang tinatawag natin na code. So here, punta tayo sa source. Again, i-import natin si jbox.swing asterisk na lang natin para lahat ng naka-include kay swing kung kakailanganin natin ay nakuha na. And then, dito, we'll be using integer num. Num ulit, ha? So, we have num is equal to integer that parse int and then txt num that get text. After that, if, yan. So, we have num is greater than or equal to 0. Oo. Greater than or equal to greater than or equal to 0. So, anong gagawin? So, we have txt value that set text. Sabihin natin the number. Yan. Kunin mo yung num plus is a positive. Else, so kapag siya'y nag-ano doon, hindi siya tumama, siya ay negative. Yan. So, let's try to run again. Run file. So, kapag nilagay natin dito ay 3, press positive. We have -2. Dapat siya ay negative. Okay? So, that's it. That's some of the examples na pwede nating pagbasehan dun sa ating gagawin na inyo pong mga hands-on activity. Thank you so much. If you have any other concern, just approach me.